Hi there, I'm Jack from Fluid and I wanted to speak a little bit about Fluid's catalogs feature. The reason we added catalogs to Fluid is we know that projects do not run in isolation. They're there to mitigate risks, they're there for operational efficiency, and they're there to achieve organisational goals. What they also impact is different parts of the business. So whether that is KPIs, whether that is buildings, products, applications, etc. And what the catalogs allow you to do is align those parts of the business that may be impacted to certain projects. So if I navigate to a KPI inside of Fluid, which is a catalog, what you can see is information on that KPI itself. So which strategic pillar is it, what's the description, and what's the target value. And immediately what you have is a nice perspective of all of the projects that are aligned to that KPI, how they're doing based on their RAG status, and any areas that you may need to focus on in terms of your RAG components. Now, of course, from this perspective inside of Fluid, you can communicate with your team via the chat channels, collaborate and work with them. And what you can also see are any risks or issues that may be affecting this particular KPI underneath as well. So if I come down, you can see all of your risks and issues on a matrix, and if you can actually interact with this as well. But for the sake of showing you the whole list, you can see all of the promoted impacts. So the nice thing about promotion inside of Fluid is that instead of clicking into each project and sifting through 10, 20, 30 risks, you've got a nice concise view here to see what's important for you to understand now, so you can then put some mitigation steps to keep on top of it to ultimately deliver more projects successfully. So if I look at a issue as an example, I can click into that, view a bit more information. I can create follow-on tasks for my team, and I can also communicate via the comments section too. And the last thing really to mention about catalogs is you can have a documents area too. So if you want to upload anything that's important for, say, this KPI as an example, upload that and then it stores it in one central location for your catalog. So I'm hoping that goes to show you how the catalogs help you align to those other areas of the business that are impacted for a more successful change environment. If you want to know any more about catalogs, any more about Fluid, do get in touch and we'd love to have that conversation with you. And of course, thank you for watching this video. Cheers. Bye-bye.